Hello and welcome. If you've been dreaming of sewing your own skirt, this is the perfect place to start. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process from cutting your pieces to adding a zipper and lining. Ready to create something amazing? Let's begin. I used 2 meter by 1.5 meters of cotton fabric and 1 meter by 1.5 meters of lining. First cut 30 inch. Make gathering stitches until the fabric fits the waist measurement. Cut 8-inch pieces twice to create the ruffle. Join the pieces with a seam and add a gathering stitch. Attach the ruffle by facing the right sides together. Cut the lining 35 inch by 60 inch. Gather the lining until its width matches that of the main fabric. Attach lining to the main fabric on the wrong side. The next step was cutting the waistband. I applied interfacing to the waistband for added structure. Cut 6" by 28". Attach waistband to the skirt by facing the right side together. Fold the edge by ½ inch and finish with a top stitch. Mark a 6" section to insert the zipper. Install the invisible zipper into the marked opening. If you're curious about sewing invisible zippers, leave a comment and I'll film a step-by-step guide. Flip the fabric to the wrong side and stitch the remaining section below the zipper. Secure the lining by stitching it with the main fabric tucked inside. And just like that, our skirt is complete and ready to wear. Thanks for sewing along with me. If you enjoyed this skirt tutorial, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY sewing projects. Happy sewing until next time.